Natural disasters. Why so many? Disasters seem to be very much in the news. More people than ever before are the victims of one calamity or another. The Centre for Research on the Epidemiology of Disasters in Belgium reports that in 2010 alone there were 373 disasters and that at least 2,906,000 people died as a result. The number of reported disasters has also climbed noticeably over the past several decades. For example, between 1975 and 1999, well under 300 disasters were recorded each year. However, between 2000 and 2010, the average was close to 400 per year. Perhaps you are among those who wonder, why are there so many disasters now? Although people often label such disasters as acts of God, this is really a misnomer. God is not behind the calamities that affect so many people today. Nevertheless, the Bible did foretell that there would be disasters in our time. For example, at Matthew 24:7 and 8 we read Jesus' words, "There will be food shortages and earthquakes in one place after another. All these things are the beginnings of pangs of distress." Why did Jesus foretell these events, and what meaning do they have for us? God's Son Jesus was speaking in answer to the question posed to him. What will be the sign of a conclusion of a system of things? Matthew 24 verse 3. He told of various things that would happen, including calamities like those mentioned above. He then went on to make the significant statement, "When you see these things occurring, know that the kingdom of God is near." Luke 21:31. So those natural disasters, therefore, have great significance for us. They point to a time of momentous changes just ahead. Forces contributing to disasters. Nevertheless, many people still ask, if God is not responsible for the disasters, who or what is? We can understand the answer only if we recognize an important truth mentioned in the Bible. The whole world is lying in the power of a wicked one. 1 John 5:19. Now, this verse reveals that it is not God who is behind the distressing conditions in the world, but in many cases it is his enemy, the wicked one, otherwise referred to in the Bible as the devil. Revelation 12:9 and 12 reads, "So down the great dragon was hurled, the original serpent, the one called Devil and Satan, who is misleading the entire inhabited earth. He has hurled down to the earth, and his angels were down with him." 12. "On this account be glad, you heavens, and you who reside in them. Woe for the earth and for the sea, because the devil has come down to you, having great anger, knowing that he has a short period of time." So guided by his own self-serving objective, this enemy of God views people as disposable. Since he has the whole world under his control, he has promoted that same spirit among mankind. Indeed, the Bible points to this by foretelling that in the last days people will be lovers of themselves, lovers of money, self-assuming, haughty. 2 Timothy 3 verses 1 and 2. Hence, it is no surprise that the devil has created a global system that thrives on those and other ungodly traits. He encourages selfish and greedy exploitation that often puts people in harm's way. If you would like a free home Bible study at a time and place to suit you, please navigate your browser to jw.org and follow the links online. Thank you for listening.